First things first, grab your cube case and open it. And then behind this front lip here, you'll see this metal tool. It kind of looks like a SIM card ejector tool. And this tool is essential. You will use it for every adjustment we use today, so keep it handy and do not lose it. Let's start with the magnets inside the cube. This affects how the pieces snap into place during your turns. So just take your tool and insert it in the small divots in each of the corners. Then once you find it, push clockwise, and then you'll feel a little click as the number setting decreases. Setting 1 gives you the weakest magnet strength, and it will feel very light and free. And setting 6 is the strongest magnet strength, so it's great for more control and precision. So now you can test the settings to find which setting you like the best. Now make sure you do this adjustment to all 8 corners so the magnet strength is even across the cube. Next, we'll access the Duel adjustment system under the center caps. Simply pop up the center caps using your fingers or the tool. There are a total of 6 center caps, 1 for each face. So just go right ahead and do that. So this inner ring controls corner cutting and spring compression. So basically how flexible your cube handles in misaligned turns. So just grab your tool and fit it into the small groove on the ring that lines up with a number. So just like this. And then the number you're lined up with shows your current setting. So setting 1 is the least amount of corner cutting for more control, and then setting 6 is the most amount of corner cutting for fast turning. So pick which one works best for you, and you can test all the options. But be careful because setting 6 can make your cube unstable and it's prone to popping. So apply your chosen settings to all 6 sides for consistency. The second ring, or the outer ring, adjusts the tension or how tight or loose the cube feels during turns. So grab your tool and insert it in between the tiny spokes inside the ring. Turn it clockwise to move it, and you can move it to a tighter setting. Setting 1 is loose tension, so it's great for speed, but it may feel unstable. Setting 6 is tight tension, and it's better for stability and accuracy. If you can't find what setting you're on, you'll see a small triangle in the center, and that will point to your current setting. As always, find the feel that works best for your turning style. Now, be careful because setting 1 can be too loose and it may reduce control. So be sure you make the adjustment to all 6 sides. Now that you've adjusted your magnet strength, corner cutting, and tension, you've fully customized your cube. Now here are a few tips before we wrap up. Number 1 is test as you go. After every major change, you can do a few solves to feel the difference between each setting. The next one is balance your settings because you don't need to max everything out, and finding that perfect middle ground often works best. Number 3 is lube your cube. If you haven't already, adding a bit of lubricant will make everything smoother and extend the life of your pieces, and I will be making a video on that very soon, so make sure you're subscribed for that. And lastly, number 4 is take your time. It's totally normal to tweak settings over time as your turning style evolves, so don't feel you are in a rush. If this video helped you, please give a like and consider subscribing for more cube guides, reviews, and tutorials just like this one. And if you want to see me disassemble a Rubik's Cube and explain how to disassemble it without breaking it, click or tap the screen, and I will see you in the next video.